Everybody wants more money in their pocket. But what if the secret isn't earning more, but just tracking what you spend? Here's the real deal. Tracking your spending for just 1 week can totally change the way you think about money. Grab your phone, a notebook, or any free app, doesn't matter. For 7 days, write down everything: coffee runs, late night food delivery, that random online buy. By the end of the week, you'll spot patterns you never noticed. Maybe your daily snacks add up to $50. Or maybe those little ride shares eat your budget. Meet Chris, a college student who tried this. He found he was spending over $100 a week just on takeout. Now, he cooks twice a week and saves enough for concert tickets every month. So here's your challenge. Track your spending for 7 days. You might just find extra cash hiding in plain sight. Remember, your wallet's not a mystery. You just need to read the clues.